Hey everyone! Are you ready to uncover the next big opportunity in the stock market? Today, I'm diving into why SoFi, NASDAQ SoFi, should be at the top of your investment list for 2025. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's kick things off with the first reason. SoFi's net income is set to double in 2025. Yeah, you heard that right. In 2024, SoFi was on track to produce around $205 million in net income, a massive leap from a $301 million net loss in 2023. With revenues up more than 20% through the first 3 quarters, and an adjusted EBITDA margin growing from 21% to 25%, things are looking solid. I predict their net income will hit the $400 million range, translating to earnings per share of about 20 cents. That's some serious growth potential. Second, SoFi is gearing up to launch at least 3 major new products in 2025. They've already shown they can roll out valuable banking products and innovative features. Over the past year, they've introduced 2 new credit cards and enhanced their investment platform. In 2025, we could see SoFi expand its credit card offerings, maybe even introduce higher-end cards with unique perks and dive into high-demand products like CDs, auto loans, and college savings accounts. While I don't know exactly what's in the pipeline, I'm confident SoFi has some exciting things in store. And finally, the third reason, SoFi is poised to beat the S&P 500 again this year. In 2024, SoFi's stock price surged 55%, outpacing the S&P 500 by over 30 percentage points. I'm making a bold call here. SoFi will outperform the S&P 500 again in 2025, gaining at least 20%, no matter what the broader market does. For this to happen, SoFi needs to keep growing and expanding its margins, but I'm optimistic they can do it. So, what's the bottom line? These might sound like bold predictions, but SoFi has a strong track record of setting ambitious goals and exceeding them. This fintech giant has proven itself since going public in 2021 and is finally getting the market recognition it deserves. But there's still plenty of room for growth. Don't miss out on this second chance for a potentially lucrative investment. Ever feel like you missed the boat with stocks like Nvidia, Apple, or Netflix? Well, here's your opportunity. This might be your best chance to get in before it's too late. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more investment insights. Let's make 2025 a profitable year.